Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn what are the f strings in Python. So let's start. Let me create a new file over here, Python.py. So what we are going to learn, f strings in Python. F strings in Python are very convenient and efficient way to format strings. We can create an f string by prefixing the string literals with the letter f. Inside an f string you can embed Python expression directly within curly braces. What is the meaning of this definition and what is the concept? To understand this concept, let's see the example. Let's say I have variable course. I will store in course, let's say Python. So another variable is number and I will store 10 in it. Let's say I have a variable message and I want to create f string over here. I will use f literal. You can use capital F or small f. So here, let's say this is, I want to print over here course number. So how it will work? It will print this is, then it will print course, this course, then it will print a number, then course number. Okay, Python course tutorial number. So let's say tutorial number 10. So it will print it out. Let me print it for you. Let's say print message. So let me print it for you. Here we go. This is Python tutorial number 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.